Hi, my name is Amanda from Landmark and State Historic Site. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be making powdered lemonade. Today, in keeping with our lemon theme, I want to show you how to make a lemonade powder recipe. Once this is finished, it comes out tasting a lot like lemonade mix that you can buy in the grocery store now. This recipe, or receipt as they used to call it back in the 19th century, is out of a book called How to Mix Drinks from 1862. There are similar receipts in many other books, including one called the Prairie Traveler that has information about traveling from the eastern United States west, and powdered lemonade or lemonade powder is one of the recommended receipts to take with you so that you can have plenty of vitamin C. So it falls in a category of food called anti-scorbutics, which keeps you from getting scurvy. I'm going to read the receipt to you, and then we're going to make a smaller portion of this receipt. Lemonade powder is 1 pound of finely powdered loaf sugar. Loaf sugar would be like this. 1 ounce of tartaric or citric acid, and 20 drops of essence of lemon. Mix and keep very dry. 2 or 3 teaspoonfuls of this stirred briskly in a tumbler of water will make a very pleasant glass of lemonade. If effervescent lemonade is to be desired, 1 ounce of carbonate of soda must be added to the above. So like I said, we're going to make a fraction of the size of the recipe. We'll add 1/2 cup of sugar. This one calls for loaf sugar pounded. You just need granular sugar like you can get at the grocery store now. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid. And I'd like to stir up those ingredients together before we add our essence of lemon. Now for essence of lemon, you can search out and find essence of lemon, or you can use lemon extract, or you can use a food safe essential oil, but be sure that you're getting a food safe essential oil that is edible. Some of them are for aromatherapy only. And so this calls for 20, we're dividing it up. So we're gonna put 5 drops of lemon in there. And get it good and stirred up. I'm going to break up all the little clumps that have formed. Okay, so it says mix and keep very dry. So if you make this at home, you straight away want to put this into food storage bag or container so the humidity in the air can't get to it. It will get very clumpy. Here's an old batch that I made. And it's just full of rock hard clumps, like this. So next time you're out of lemonade mix, if you have any essence of lemon or lemon extract in your pantry and a little citric acid and sugar, you should have no problem making your own mix up. All right, now it's time to make our lemonade. We have our lemonade powder mix and a tumbler full of water, just plain water. And we're gonna add 2 spoons of our mix. Stir it up. Okay, now it's time to taste lemonade. Perfect. Thanks for joining us, and thank you for supporting your local Texas Historical Commission State Historic Site.